I'm so excited. I have a new unboxing for you. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to open this. This is my order from Creative Memories. Let's check it out. So excited. Here we go. Oh my goodness, I'm so cannot wait. Woohoo! What is in here? Oh my gosh, I forgot what I ordered. Oh, yay. Okay, so, oh yeah, we have the Rainbow Dots pod or organizer. I think it's the organizer. I always forget what the names are. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. I didn't know there was a little zipper on the side. You guys, this is great for a couple of pens or anything. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. This goes with all the Rainbow Dots collection, like you have luggage that's matching for scrapbooking. And here's a little divider. See if I can figure out how to put it on. I think this is backwards. Let's try it the other way. I think it might make a difference. But you can use it with or without this little divider. That's why it's Velcro. And this looks like it's working. Yes. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love the see-through top so you can see what's in it. And the color on the inside is so pretty. It's like a seafoam kind of aqua color. And it zips closed. And there's this little handle here for carrying it. Ooh la la, love these colors. So cute. So cute. Okay. And then we have the Curious Crabs Border Maker cartridge. And I'm going to open it up so we can take a look close up. Here are those lovely Curious Crabs. Oh my word. This is so cute. And they put the picture on both sides so you can see. And look at those adorable crabs. Oh, wow. I can't wait to use this. So cute. Then we have these exclusive 4th of July or firework, glittery stickers. Let me know if you want those. They're only for advisors. And then I have the Food Truck Fun. These are the embellishments. And these are also advisor exclusives. So let me know if you want them. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, tasty. What's cooking? Let's see here. Love at first bite. Ah, that's so cute. I love all the little play on words. Count the memories, not the calories. Comfort food, delicious. And there's a pizza with the melting cheese here. And we've got an ice cream and Kiss the Cook. Oh, I'm getting ideas already. You've got the ice cream truck and ice cream. It's a food truck, but I'm calling it an ice cream truck. And you can put the yummy right there. How cute. And then you've got Slice the Good Life and you've got Treat Yourself in a Taco. Treat yourself with the fries. So cute. And this is like a spoon and a fork. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. We can use this for any kind of eateries. Oh, look at these stickers. These are also advisor exclusives. It's a sunshine thing. There's a food truck trio card kit. So you can use the collection here with Food Truck Fun and just add it into your scrapbooking, or you can make these cards. There's 3 cards and all the instructions are included. Thinking of you, hello friend, and happy birthday. And then you can change it up. Instead of happy birthday, it could say just for you. There's all kinds of little options in there so you can make cards or not. Then I got the coastal, what is this called? Oh, look how pretty. So pretty. This teal and red and sort of navy and beige are looking so good together. Look at this rope and these really lovely borders, and look at the, oh, by the bay, lighthouse love, coastal living, lobster tails. That's so funny. Oh, salty sea stories. Oh my goodness. Coastal shore, that's what it's called. And then we have laser cut borders, and look at these. Oh my gosh, they're so thick. These are really thick. I hope you can see how thick this is. It's not quite chipboard, but it's really thick. It's so nice. Really, really, really nice. And like, I feel like there's 2 or 3 because they feel so thick, but it's just the one each. And then the back is blank, so it's just white on the back. And then you have the crabs. Oh, those anchors are, I love those anchors, and these crabs are so cute. And little water scene that's sort of watercolor. And you've got the dunes and a little fence. Oh, these are really pretty in person. Love those. And then here's the white that Creative Memories has had for a while. And I want to compare it with the new bright white that I just ordered so you can see the difference. This is the bright white. This is new. So the original white is sort of softer. If you can see there on the left, it's just sort of fade, you know, not as stark. The bright white is very stark. It's going to be good for primary colors, whereas the regular white is going to be good for pastels and jewel tones, I think. But everything goes with white, so really it just depends on your preference. You can use both of these together like that. So that's cool. I love that they came out with a bright white. Okay, and then we have the Simple Page Kit number 8. And this is really, really cute. So I forgot to order Simple Page Kit 7, which is 4th of July. But this is, here with these you get a recipe, so you get all the instructions, everything, where to cut and how to put it together. You can follow these step by step, or you can do your own thing, obviously, but they're so pretty. Look at these. Very pretty. And look, all you do is follow those lines. Then you just need photos and a tape runner. That's it. Look how cute. And then it comes with stickers as well. So the oh, look at the bottom there on the right. It shows you the coordinating cardstock too if you wanted to add some colors. And then here are the stickers. And oh, look how cute these are. And then also, if you wanted to use that exclusive sunshine, let me know. I can get that for you. That goes really well with this Life Simple Page Kit number 8. And look at the close up with the suns and the lemons and the sunshine and summer. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay, now here's the food truck fun paper. You get, I believe it's 6 sheets of double-sided paper. And so let's take a look at these in detail. Oh wow, look how fun these are. These can go with all kinds of things, but you know, the food, eating out, going to food trucks, going to ice cream, going to frozen yogurt. Oh my gosh, these triangles, oh, they're so cute, you guys. I love these. I want 20 sheets of that paper right there. Ugh, look at that. So cute. Look at these. Oh my gosh. And here's a close-up so you can kind of see in detail. Oh, you guys. And so let's look at how the embellishments look together on here. And here's that little idea I had with sort of the truck. Could be a food truck. It could be an ice cream truck, right? And that's on the blue, and now it's on the red to just kind of see the difference there. Let's look at it on the yellow. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this page. It's so easy. Just throw some photos in. Kiss the cook. We are done. Love that. Love that. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else in the box. They were giving away golden tickets for $200 shopping sprees, so I'm looking for the golden ticket. These are all just food truck fun extras because I wanted more. Let's see, golden ticket, no golden ticket, dang it, no golden ticket. Oh well, thanks for watching, thank you for subscribing, bye!